Okay, here is the other video about writing an equation of a line that goes through 2 points where one of your points is the y-intercept. The other video was if one of the points is the origin. So again, I'm using a couple of the examples from the notes that I've already given you, and they are on Canvas. If you're A day, you've already got these notes. If you're B day, you're going to get them in a couple of days. Okay, so let's say we're going to write an equation of a line through -5, 8, and 0, 3. Well, first I want you to realize that 0, 3 is on the y-axis. If we were to draw a little coordinate plane, here's the x, here's the y. 0, 3 is going to be on the y-axis. If an ordered pair starts with 0, if your x is 0, then that point is on the y-axis, which means that is your y-intercept. It's where the line is going to cross the y-axis. So again, let's find the slope. 3 minus 8 over 0 minus a -5, and that'd be -5 over 5, which is a -1. That is your m. That is your slope. And then we can write our equation in y equals mx plus b form. Y equals, what is m? It's -1 x, and what is b this time? It's a +3, so we write +3. Now another way to write this, probably better, is leave the 1 out and just write -x plus 3. It's understood to be a -1 when you write it that way. Okay, another one we did is through -1, 0, and 0, -3. Again, find your slope first. -3 minus 0 over 0 minus a -1. You get -3 over 1, which is -3. And then we write our equation by using this as our guide. Y is equal to, what is m? It's -3. And then what is your y-intercept this time? This is the point that's your y-intercept. And it's a -3. It goes through the y-axis at -3. So to show that, I want you to write -3. You could write plus a -3. I'm so sorry you can't see that. But I would rather you just put -3, because when you start putting multiple signs in there, it just gets messy and confusing. So that would be that example. And I actually have time to probably do one more before my time runs out. So let's do 1, -3, and 0, 5. Find your slope. 5 minus a -3 over 0 minus 1 gives you 8 over -1, which is -8. So your equation is going to be y is equal to -8x. Y-intercept's a +5, so you write +5. Okay, hope that helps.